Okay, quick review on a set of binoculars, which first thing I noticed was there's no real branding. It's down for, they call it WRNRN. It's the closest thing to a brand name we have here. It's a 15 by 25 compact set of binoculars. I've actually had these out already on a hike. I'm not exactly sure why I put them back in the box, other than it might be more fun for you guys to see how the whole thing arrives. So you get a little carrying case. You can attach it to a belt if you like. Pop that open. And you've got binoculars. I appreciate the little lens protector cap on here. There's a strap in here as well as a little cleaning cloth. So if you care to use that stuff, I just carry it in the pouch. It works for me. You can adjust it for the size of your face, as well as, of course, focus just using this simple dial. As I said, I've had it out on a couple of hikes now, and they work really well. And yeah, very simple, straightforward product. Recommend.